I have a job coming up where I need to turn a couple of flanges and I don't have the ability to fold them. PHM have released a new set of edge turning dies. So I've gone and got those. Let's get them set up and I'll show you how to use them correctly. In the kit from PHM, you'll get your lower die with the adjustable backstop. You'll get your center punch tool and your offset punch tool. You'll also get a handy little Allen key to adjust your lower. Now let's get this set up in the machine and I'll show you how to use them. When setting these tools up, you can run them both ways. We're going to set it up as if we're using the machine in this plane today. We want to leave just a hair of space in that gap. So with our tools now set up, I've got the hammer in rigid mode. I've grabbed a scrap bit of sheet. I've got that set at about 10 millish of depth. We're going to sit that straight edge against the straight edge tooling and we're just going to lift it up gently and that's going to start to kick our flange. What I've done now is I've swapped this piece over from the straight to the curved side. So I can do a sample and show you guys how tight a radius you can turn a flange. Something I've just noticed on these tools, they're just a little sharp right on the edge. So I'm just going to take them over to my linisher. I'm just going to break the edge and just give them a quick polish up and then I'll show you the difference. Just with a brown Scotch-Brite belt, I'm just going to give them a quick gentle polish. Got it set up for straights, let's go. There it is, it's a fair way. You can now hammer that over, tighten it up. I've got a couple of door skins that have edges that need turning, so hopefully with those couple of samples I've shown you, you've got a project in mind that you might need them for as well. If you've got any questions, make sure you reach out to PHM or to me over at Traditional Fabrication and Engineering on Instagram. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.